Hello class, Mr. Roper here. Welcome to 7th grade math. In this video, I'm going to get you started with Google Classroom and preview our first week here. Okay, so once you're signed in with your student account, go to the Google Apps up here and you're going to choose Classroom. And that'll take you to your main landing page where you'll see all your classes, and you probably already see some invitations from your teachers. But one of the options should be 7th grade math, and in parentheses it's going to say Roper. This is what our class tile will look like. So go ahead and click on join if you see the join button, and let's go inside of the class. So up top, you're going to see three tabs. You're going to see stream, classwork, and people. Now on stream, this is where I'm going to post the assignments page. As you can see right here, Q1 is quarter one, W2 is week 2. Some of you may be wondering, where's week 1? Well, week 1 was last week where only the teachers came to school. Students start on week 2 this year. So this is quarter 1, week 2. These are the dates, August 24 to 28. And if I click on this document, it's going to open up our assignments page. And what I'm going to do in this video is go through the week so you know what you have for the week. All right, so Monday, August 24th, even though I'm not going to see any of you in person until Wednesday, you still have an assignment for math or something to do for math every day of the week, Monday through Friday, or every school day. You'll have something to do for 7th grade math, whether I see you in person or not. And the very first thing that you should do every day is submit the attendance form. This is how I will take attendance. You need to submit this form every school day. That's the very first thing. Okay, so for Monday, step 1, join Google Classroom. You all just did that. Number 2, watch this video, which is called Quarter 1, Week 2 Preview. My plan is to make a video like this every week explaining what you have for the entire week. Okay, so let's go back to the Google Classroom page. Here's the stream. On the stream, I'm only going to put the assignments page and probably the preview video. Where you will spend most of your time is in this classwork tab. Go ahead and click on the classwork tab, and in the classwork tab, I can create what are called topics. So over here, you see all topics, and these are the 5 topics that I have for this week. And as you can see, those are the days of the week, Monday through Friday. And so you'll go to the classwork tab, and pretty much under Monday, these are the 2 things that you're going to do for Monday. You have Monday attendance. Like I said, you'll submit that every day. And then the assignments page, which this is also on the stream. Here's the assignments page. I'm also going to put this video, when it's done being made, I'm going to put that right here. But this is also available on the stream. But that's all you have for Monday is attendance and the assignments page where I explain the assignments for the week. So Tuesday, what do you have for Tuesday? Of course, you have your attendance. You also have Edpuzzle math syllabus. So Edpuzzle is a website that I use to put videos on so that I can see who has watched the video. So here's where I will explain the syllabus, the expectations, what you can expect this year for 7th grade math. And so on the assignments page, it tells me, okay, I'm going to do attendance and watch this Edpuzzle math syllabus video. Okay, so Wednesday is the first time I will see some of you. It's group A who I will see. I'm going to start our first lesson 1.1 on add integers with the same sign. But of course, like always, we submit the attendance form first, whether you're in person or not. Everybody submits the attendance form every single day. So you're going to watch these 2 videos on a mobile device to classroom and Chromebook to classroom. Those 2 videos are me explaining or teaching you how to take a picture of your work on a piece of paper and submit it to Google Classroom, because at some point in the upcoming weeks, I will have you do that. You don't do that this week, but I'm just going to teach you how to do that for upcoming assignments. So you have those 2 videos. You're going to submit this form called Add Integers number 1. It's due by 3 p.m. on Friday. So again, back on my classwork page, all right, here's Monday, here's Tuesday, here's Wednesday. Now, as you can see, this attendance it's like a gray letters right now because it's scheduled. It's a draft. Like you're not going to see this yet until that day, until I post it. Okay, so Wednesday it says right here, upload document. If I click right there, I'm going to see the directions, upload document to Google Classroom. This is just me explaining how to do that. So here's mobile device to Chromebook. So if you have an iPhone or iPad, I teach you how to take a picture and submit it to Classroom of your work, or just using your Chromebook, which you all have. So you guys can at least do this option of taking a picture with your Chromebook and uploading a picture of your work to Google Classroom. But all you gotta do is watch those videos, okay? Next, you have add integers number 1. I click on that, it's going to tell me the directions. So be sure to please read the directions so you know what to do. Number 1, watch video on adding integers with the same sign. That is right here, this yellow tile. That YouTube video that I made is 5 minutes. So watch that. And then number 2, going to submit this form right here called add integers form number 1. Your goal is to get them all correct. So I want you to, if you missed any right here, like it says, click edit response and fix the ones that you missed. So you can only submit the form one time, but that doesn't mean you can click edit. That doesn't mean that you can't click edit response and go back in and change your answers. You can, and I want you to, so that eventually you get them all correct. Okay, that's your goal. Get them all correct. So that's Wednesday. Attendance, watch these 2 videos, uploading a document, and then watch the add integers video, submit the form. Okay, Thursday, I'll see Group B in person for the first time. And we're still going to do lesson 1.1, adding integers with the same sign. Of course, always submit the attendance form, whether you come in person or whether you're remote. Everybody submits the attendance form. Watch this video called Page Setup. I teach you how to set your paper up if I were to give you an assignment where you're showing work on a piece of paper and then submitting it to Classroom. I would teach you how to set your paper up because I want you to do that in a certain way. After you watch that video, which is 5 minutes long, you're going to answer this or submit this Google form, which is 7 questions. So pretty much just questions that are all answered in the video. It's just for me to see, did you actually watch the video? Do you understand how I want you to set your paper up? So those are your 2 things for Thursday. As you can see here, you have attendance and how to set your paper up, read the directions. And actually, I don't have the video in there. So after this video, I'll go in and add that in there so that you see the video, you see these 12 steps I talked about in the video, and then submit the page setup form. Okay. Finally, for Friday, what do we have for Friday? Well, of course, you're going to do your attendance because everybody is remote on Fridays, but you do your attendance every day. And all I have for Friday is make sure you have submitted add integers form number 1. There's nothing new on Friday. I'm just kind of giving you a catch-up day, catch up on any videos you have missed from previous days, and have a good weekend. Be ready to go next week. Okay. So, and then at the bottom here, I always include like a reminder of what you have to turn in for that week. And pretty much I'm only going to be looking for one thing as far as you submitting something this week, and that is add integers form number 1. That's due by 3 p.m. on Friday. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense as far as going through and previewing the week so that you know what to expect. But like I said, on Google Classroom, you have the stream where I post the assignments page and the preview video, but your main time will be spent on classwork because I break it down by day of what you are supposed to do. If you have any questions, you can email me at rroper@marionunit2.org from your Gmail account. I'll email you back as quick as I can. Or on the stream, I did set it up where you guys can't post, but you can comment, but only comment if you actually have a question so that I can provide some help and feedback to you. Okay. Hope you guys have a good first day. I can't wait to see you guys in person, or if you're all remote, can't wait to see your work. And so I'll see you all soon.